We have an archive pack. I don't even know what challenge that was. I forget, but it's a release one. Hopefully, we get a LeBron. Let's check it out. First up, Hakeem Ward. Turn the music down a little bit. Alright. Next up, Kyle Korver. Nothing special. Come on, what do we got? Al Harrington. Well, not great, but free pack. We'll take it.